Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Chinyere and I create Figma tutorials to help you become a better UI UX designer. So in my last video, we explored auto layout, absolute spacing, and we built a transaction page on mobile apps. So today, we're doing something exciting. We're going to design an Instagram homepage from scratch. So by the end of this video, you know how to structure a real-world mobile app UI, including setting up the navigation bar, arranging user posts, and designing story highlights. So let's get started. So you want to ensure you have chosen the right frame for your work. Over here, I chose mobile version iPhone 14 Pro Max. Over here, you want to ensure you have put up your grid. You can also take your grid out by clicking on the Shift G button just for you to gain more control over your work. Then to put it back on, you click on Ctrl G as well. So on this video, we're going to be taking this out and bringing it back on intervals. So you want to go online and import an image of Instagram. However, when importing an image, do not click copy here. You will get a poor version of the image. So you need to open it first, then you need to open it first, then click on copy image over here. So I'm just going to do it now. I click on the image and I come over here and I click copy. Perfect. So I come to my Canva, I click on the image and I paste the image, but I come over here and ensure here is locked so that when I'm reducing the size of the image, it goes evenly. Perfect, just like this. Reduce it over here and I take it back up. Perfect. So here you go. I have my Instagram image over here. So usually I leave a space over here for the time icon and all of those things you have there. So now this is done. We're gonna get our icons now. So we go to Iconify, we get your favorites, we click on favorite. But I'm just gonna import it as a frame because I'm just going to be using it once for the purpose of this video. And we get our chart icon and we get our plus icon. So now we have our plus icon and we're just gonna change the stroke size so we can make it black and like we see on Instagram. We change the corner radius and we put it as number 6 to get a better frame size. So if you notice on this design, I took off the grid sign so I can focus more. But I'm going to arrange the icons now and we'll see how best it has shaped our work. So here we go. Put this over there. I'll take this and put it here. Looking at the numbering in between 2020, that's perfect. So now we're going to put our grid and see how far we've come. You see, it has taken full shape. See, it's taking full shape. This is perfect. 23, 23, perfect. So the next thing to do is to put an auto layout on the three icons. So click in start this, click on shift, shift, click on shift, you put shift A. Now on auto layout and you come over here. I'm gonna crop this because I want the space to be a little bit filling. So I'm gonna crop this now. I'm gonna come over here and say crop. Now just come over here. The space is too much. I don't want space to be too much. So after applying auto layout there, I come over here and I click on this and I come click on this again. I do auto layout, perfect. I'm gonna click on Ctrl G to see how it is. See, this is how it is. I'm just gonna come here and just push this over here. See, showing that my writings are not, oversized. So now that I have arranged them, I come over here and click on this, and I click on this as well. And I say Control A, and put the auto layout, so it's perfect now within the line. I go and I remove the for visual context. Perfect. Then I come over here, click on this. And seeing that is down, you come over here to the alignment section. You must always ensure that the spacing is an even number for effective development. And 24, perfect. So now we're done with level one. So when I'm designing, I like to leave a space here, the top corner, 40 pixels, so you can contain icons like the timing, just like you see over here, okay? So how do you know the numbering there? So you highlight the frame and you hold on Alt on your keyboard and it shows you the dimension around it. So I'm gonna ensure up there is 40. Okay. So this is what we have here, 52. So I'm gonna just click the upward arrow till it gets to 40. Like you can see me do. See? 40. Perfect. So we want to go down to the story now. So I'll come over here and I get the frame. I say I'll do it over here because I want to get a perfect frame size. I then show this is locked prior and we lock our pixel over there. So I want to make it a perfect circle, okay? So I ensure it's the frame size is 64 on both sizes. So I want to make it a perfect circle. So I come over here and I say 64 and I click on it. See the perfect circle. Here we go. I click on the frame and I come to iconify and I go to on splash and I click on smiling and I click on smiling and it pops up this. I come over here and I click on this image. So I'm gonna import it as let's see how it goes. Come over here and put up smiling and we come over here and click on this. It shows over there immediately like we wanted. If you look at my cursor, you see it has fit into the frame we have here. So we come over here and we add auto layout to this, Shift A. Perfect. So I'm going to check on the padding. It has a padding. I'm going to say 8. I want the padding to be 8. As you can see, it has its own hug like we want. So we come over here and give it another auto layout again. And you see, we have two frames now to auto layout. And we're going to give it a stroke at the border. So we give the new auto layout a stroke. We come over to the properties channel and we're going to give it a stroke and we'll say, yeah, give it a black stroke. Can you see over here? We're going to make the weight, increase the weight and say we want it to be a 2. Click and enter. See over here? Perfect. And we make the radius something very ridiculous. We can say, let's give it 100 just to get, click and enter. So see, so we're going to increase the weight. We're going to say, let's give it a, then we come over here and we're going to reduce the padding to 4. And we reduce the padding to 4.
Mm.
So we're going to give the stroke that gradient effect. We come over here and we say gradient. And we say we're going to make the black red. And we're going to make this other place orange. Let's see. We're going to make this orange. Let's go with this. Let me give it an orange over there. Let's see what we have now.
Mm. This one is just one.
So
But
we come
let's
over
increase the
here
padding a bit.
and we take this
Let's make it
image in
6.
here. So different
Yep.
approach, same
Perfect.
results.
So now I
We
can bring
continue
this here
from
now.
so different approach, same results. We put this over here and we take this again to the next stage in the next class. That's it for today. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you can never miss my next video. We're going to continue and take this further in the next class. Thank you, and I'd love to see you again.